Okay, guys, I'm just completing this. I won't give up on it because I just need to finish it off. This is, I told you about all the troubles I had. I really got a rewrite. I told you about that. I did add one more splitter up here so I can have these two connections so I can hook in my external panels on this, and I also have a spare here in case I lose my mind and get another panel. But I'm about to reach a point of diminishing returns because at this point I don't think another panel will do me more good till I get more uh, battery space. So I've got 320 or somewhere around that amp hours. So it's assuming my zero breeze functions as is. That should be more than enough to carry me through a night. Uh, you know, if when it really gets hot in August, when it's 90 plus degrees in the middle of the night. And that's what I'm concentrating here. Popping the key here. And here, it's still messy. I'm emptying it out quite a bit though. But here is my zero breeze. And I have it mounted on this this stool, which I bought basically as a mount for the diesel heater, which I might still use, but I won't be installing that until September and then. But right now I'm just using it up here, and this is my only, because I don't have an AC in this, and I'm not going to spend $2,000 getting the AC repaired in the near future, and that's how much it costs. You probably have to take off this whole dash, and God knows how long it would take. So I'm just using the zero breeze. So what I can is I hook zero breeze up to the inverter here, and I can run it. Now on a sunny day, it's not a big deal because I've got so much solar now that I can replace anything the zero breeze uses, and it uses about 150 watts. My old the 5,000 BTU that would be my second choice would be using about 500 watts. And I probably could maintain that to some degree with this. Maybe not at night as often though. But if this runs successfully, and it has been so far, it will keep me going. And I put it up here in the front seat because I can use it as my car AC from time to time on hotter days. It's cool today, so it doesn't serve a purpose. But I'm also going to put it in the back on this because it raises it up about bed level, and I don't have any place else to mount it. So then I can just go over here and move the vents and then have it blowing directly in my face. Because being a 1000 BTU AC, it's not like it's going to be cooling the whole back very quickly, so I can get some relief by blowing it straight into my face. So I just want to give you that. And it's just I've been going. I had to rebuild. See, and I've got all this. This Eternal Bond is great, but it does leave residue. So I'm gonna have to get some goof off, and then over a period of time get that off and neaten this up. But it's nothing I'm gonna do in any immediate or any hurry, because this is a junky old van anyway, and I really don't give a darn what people think about it. But I would just like to get that out for my own mental well-being. So we'll see how that goes. In any case, I think that's about not much to show. But that's all I'm going to show you today. I need to get back to work because I'm doing this in my work parking lot. But I am at lunch, so I'm not wasting the company's time. So anyway, that's all I got. I will be back. And by the way, I didn't miss something. I didn't tell you about these magnetic hooks. These heavy-duty magnets are great hooks so I can hook up my cables. Because, on the door, because it opens, I have to do some very weird stuff to keep my cables stable, and so I have to use. So I'm using these heavy duty, was it Neo Diablo, whatever the name is, batteries. They're very, very heavy duty, and I've got 2 more ordered, and those are 60 pounds. So they're very difficult to get these magnets off. Did I say batteries before? I'm not sure, man. Anyway, I'm not going to edit it if I did. It's very difficult to get these magnets off. This one is there's a relatively weak magnet here, but this one is strong. It doesn't come off easily. And I can hang this and then take it down when I open, and then I can use a strap to pull it up and secure it back up when the door is closed. But that's just a compromise I've got to make of convenience to do all this wiring all over the place. So that's that's all I got, and I'm going to be talking about something else pretty soon. I put out another knife video this morning. Once again, it's from the old channel, so if I say I'm at home, that means I was at home at the time. But I do have some new stuff I need to review and get out. And as I've said before, these videos I do in the van are basically a labor of love. They don't generate views. The only things I do to generate views are reviews of equipment and tools. So those are why you're seeing those pop up, and not only because I love them, because they do generate views. Anyway, I'll talk to you later, and you have a good day.